Hello, I am Sanchit, a student of FITGI South Delhi 4-year classroom program. In grade 8th, 4 years before, I had a dream to join IIT, and FITGI was the institution that gave me the direction to pursue it. FITGI, I saw an ad of FITGI in newspaper of FTRE. So then I filled a form like to give a paper, and after that I got a good scholarship in that and I joined FITGI. When I entered the classroom, it was a new environment, as if I'm in a whole new world. The children there were so competitive and so serious about their goals. There was a healthy atmosphere. We also got many friends. Moreover, the FITGI faculty was so nice, so encouraging, so very focused on what they taught. They also started from the basic and took us to the level which we are expected to be in the IIT JEE exam. And moreover, they also gave me the confidence to sit in the exam, confidence to compete with the best brains throughout the country. Quizzes were held at regular intervals. The whole system was divided in 5 phases, and after each phase there was a phase test, and that phase test was like you are testing yourself what you have already learned, and that too in parts, so that have a great revision pattern which was very beneficial for me. And the AI Square TS and the AITS series of FITGI was so helpful for me to be in the environment which was simulated as that of an ideal exam. So that is what helped me. In the last of the session there were review classes held, so that also gave me they all recapitulated everything I've studied in the 4 years and put it in the same small area which I used in the paper. That was very helpful for me. Also, the FITGI packages were so well designed, and the questions were also very nice at a very good level, which focused on a basic. Even our teachers were so very good at teaching and making the concept so interesting. They made the basics very clear, from which the even the tougher questions become easier, because any question can be made tougher by aiming at your basics. So that is what our teachers knew, and they taught us how to tackle it. That's what anyone can do to make us do well in IIT JEE exam. Also, GMP and RTPF were a great revision who packed and in a concise way the vast syllabus of IIT JEE. And moreover, the exam before the exam they gave us a full time to prepare. So that is why they helped me giving the right direction and doing everything they can. There was no shortage of any material. You ask for questions and you get it, and there was no stopping you. It was the max you can do here. So FITGI is a dream place where you can be. You can compete with the best students all across the country from different schools. So that is what made FITGI my first choice. And also, to my juniors I will say it is the right time to join in the class 9th, because from class 9th we start building up the base, and that is what you all need to get into IIT. In FITGI there are monthly tests, weekly tests, and also many quizzes held day after day, so that we can learn from them. We make many mistakes again and again, so that we are corrected. After each and every exam there is a test analysis session from which we are benefited a lot. The teachers tell us how we can improve on what we have already done. environment in the classroom was so comfortable and so competitive that we never felt any problem in communication. Also, all of this helped us to boost our confidence. I cleared KVPY, NSEC and NSEA, and all of this were like milestones on which I stepped and climbed forward. That was a great achievement then and a great boost for the confidence. All this helped me clear IIT JEE and helped me to achieve my goal, and all the credit I would like to give to FIITJEE. I would like to thank my parents and my sister for being a constant support to me in my studies. Also, I want to thank all the faculty members of FIITJEE, especially my teachers who taught me with all the hard work they did, and also the FIITJEE system which incorporated all the test series and the test analysis plus the doubt clearing classes which were held regularly. So without all this, my success in IIT JEE would be just a dream, not a reality, which is now because of FIITJEE. Thank you.